How to create a professional YouTube channel account. Up to this moment, YouTube still remains one of the best and popular video sharing social media platform. That's why you see that these days, a lot of people are jumping onto YouTube to create and open their own YouTube channel account and start making content they can monetize and get income from it. So what are you waiting for? Why not jump onto the moving trend and open your own YouTube channel account? You never know. You might be the richest YouTuber tomorrow. Okay, I guess I know what the problem is. It's because you don't know how to create or open a professional YouTube channel account. Don't worry, I got your back. Come with me, let me walk you through on how to open a YouTube channel account, a professional YouTube channel account, okay? Let's go. Okay, guys, how to create a professional YouTube channel is, first, you have to already have a Gmail account, which you can use to create your YouTube channel. So let's say you've logged into your Gmail account now. So now go here on this menu icon, then click, then choose YouTube. Or maybe you go directly to youtube.com, then click on sign in and sign in with your Gmail address. So once that is done, click on this mine. Okay, then click on create a channel. So here you have to come up with your profile picture. So you click here to upload, to choose your profile picture. So you choose any of your profile picture from your computer. So you can crop it from here if you want, then click on done. So now you can see your profile picture here. So go ahead and fill in your name. If you want to change the name, you can change it here. So after that, click on create channel. Now you've created your YouTube channel. You can go ahead and start uploading your videos here. Or you can come here and click and customize your channel. So from here, you can start to customize your channel. Continue. So once you're here, you can click on branding and come down here. You will see the profile picture you've just uploaded. But you need to also upload your cover picture. So you click here to upload a cover picture. So you choose from your computer any cover picture you want to use and click on open. It will be inserted here. So you can position it as you want, as in cropping it. Once you finish doing that, you click on done. So now you've gotten a profile picture and a cover picture. So here, click on basic info. So here in the description section, you can write anything about your channel, what the kind of video tutorials you'll be uploading or the kind of videos you'll be uploading on your channel. That is what you write here in the description section. And down here, this is the URL of your channel, okay? So you can copy this link and share with your friends and family so that they can be able to search you through YouTube. But once you get over 100 subscribers here on YouTube, then you can be able to have a custom URL, okay? So down here, you can put your email address as your contact information so that people who come over to your YouTube channel and if they want to contact you, they can get you through your email address, okay? So once you make sure that everything is done perfectly, you come over here, you click publish. Then the changes you made on your channel will be saved. So now you can start creating content and uploading to your YouTube channel. And to do that, if you want to upload videos, come over here, click on create. You can also go live if you want to. But if you want to upload videos, click on upload videos. Here, click on select files. Example, I select one of my video, open. Then it will be uploading to the platform. So here, you can put in the title of your video. Down here, you can put the description of your video. So here, you can choose either a default thumbnail or you upload a custom thumbnail from here that you've made for yourself. And if you don't know how to create a thumbnail, check out my videos on my account. You'll see how to create a free thumbnail. So here, you can create a playlist for your videos. Down here, if your channel is not for children, you can choose, no, it is not made for kids. If it's made for kids, you can choose it's made for kids. Then you click on show more. From show more, all these settings, you should leave them as they are, except if you're uploading video for a paid promotion, you can check this box. Then you come down, you add a meta tag here. You can always separate them with comma. Choose your language and your caption. You scroll down, there is nothing much you have to do. Then hit on next and next again until you get to publish. Remember here, don't let it be private. Put it on public. Then after that, if you want to schedule it to publish it another day, you can choose to schedule it. After you've gone through your videos and see everything is perfect, here you click on save. then your video will be published online and made public, okay? So this is how to create a professional YouTube account. So cheers guys, and good luck with creating content on YouTube. Maybe you're going to become the next face of YouTube, okay? So good luck and thanks for watching.